season is going to come. It doesn't matter. Do not separate yourself from the flocks. They can harm you. Don't separate yourself. Remain standing. Remain standing. Even when the enemy come like a flood, don't move your position. Don't leave your place. Devil can come in all directions, but remain standing. Let me tell you something. In the pit of hell, they cook things that they want to destroy you. That's why when you are a pastor, they cook devil worshippers from the pit of hell, because the plan is to destroy you. So even in your life, they are cooking this thing that we want to destroy him. We want to destroy it. But when you are remaining standing, God will become your backup. When the enemy comes like a flood, God is raising the standard. Beware of the gap and do not separate from the flock. As we are standing here, no eyes have seen, no ears have heard what the Lord is about to do. I am seeing God elevating something. I am seeing God doing great things. I am seeing God raising leaders. I am seeing God raising billionaires. Oh, you don't hear me? Elijah said to Ahab, there will be a rain of abundance. There will be a rain of blessings. Listen, child of God, I'm closing now. I am saying unto you this morning, there will be a rain of blessings. Whether you believe it, whether